single layer neural network. Single layer neural network. Input x1, x2, xm. Input. This is hidden layer. This is final output. Weightage 1, weightage 2. In the single layer network, ZI Z2 Z1 equal to W I1 plus summation of jth equal to 1 to m wi xj x1 when x1 will come xj equal to x1. Here xj equal to x2. Here xj equal to xm. Here w 1 power 1 same. Here w2, here w3, w4, w5 like this. Weightage multiplication. Then we will get Z1. According to this, Z1, Z2, Z3, ZD1. This is layer on X result. Sorry, Z result. Here only output. Final output. This is available in hidden layer. Okay. This is available in hidden layer. This is Z1, Z2, Z3, ZD1 result for hidden layer. This final output y cap 1, y2 cap when y1 ya equal to y cap I equal to when y1 equal to coming that time. After that, when y2 is coming, that time apply to after finishing this y cap I will come. I replacement by these two. First one, then 2 equal to G of nonlinear W I O sorry 0 first 0 1 2 3 W0 I 2 W2 here W0 2 here W1 2 because here this side 2 this side 1 okay W1 W2 but individually vary W0 W1 W2 sorry W3 like this summation of j equal to 2 same like before 1 to d1 1 2 3 4 okay t1 g of z1 G of Z1, G of Z1 is result G of Z1 into here X1 result will come. Here this result will come. Here this result instead of X1 X2 so on and so on. So G of Z1, then G of Z2, then G of Z3, then G of Z2, ZD1 into W J comma I power 2. Very. So we got it. Single layer. Single layer neural network. This is single layer neural network is continuation here. So what we have seen, say 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, m comma 2, m, this m, this 2, this one, 2 same style, same one, will not vary. So Z2, sorry, Z2 for Z2 for example, 0 comma, no, something wrong is there, 0 2. So Z maybe Z2 means this will come now. So 2 comma 2 will come. Okay, plus summation j is equal to 1 to 2 m into xj. Here xj will vary. First one will come, then 2, then m. Jth means 1, 2 up to m. So equal to w0 comma 2 power 1 plus x1 w1 comma 2 power 1 plus x2 w22 1 plus xm w up to m, it will come for z1 z2 z. This one w1 weight 1, the weight 2, weight 3 up to weight m. Here multi-output perceptor, not only one y cap, y1 y cap 1, y cap 2, so multi. Import TensorFlow as TF, model equal to TF keras sequential of TF keras layers tensor n tensor layer. TF keras layers tens. Already you know very well. TF TensorFlow keras library sequential of keras library layers. Which layer? Tensor layer into tensor layer of n up to n. So 2. Okay. So x1, x2, xm inputs here. These are our inputs. Into multiply by Z1 Z2 hidden layers. That is the sense. Z10 tens sequential. How many? Then tends to this one tends to. This one also hidden. this one output, but here mentioned this one only, only one only. Model. Deep neural network. Inputs multiplication, then will come z hidden, then hidden multiplication, hidden output. Okay. ZKI, if we will take this one, for example, ZK1, ZK1 equal to, we can, 1 is I equal to here 1, W not cover not comma I K power K. So here it will come inside plus summation of J equal to 1 to N minus K minus 1. G of ZK minus 1 of no comma J into Wj I. Here given, this one given, this one given, this one may be here. Okay, ZK here, this one up to here. That's it. This one here. ZK1, ZK1, ZK2, this one, this one, this one. Out. Deep neural network. Same like input, hidden, output. What is the code? Import TensorFlow. We have to import a TensorFlow as a TF. Model equal to TF dot keras library. Sequential of TF dot keras dot layers dot tens of n1, comma TF keras layers tens of n2 up to TF dot keras dot layers dot tens of 2 close. Okay. This is the code. This is sequential, no? This is this one. Okay. Tens layer n1. This one. Tens layer. Tens layer. This one. Okay. TF tens layers to this one. ZKI. ZKI. W not I power K. Here will come. Summation of NK1 J to 1 2 3 NK minus 1. G of ZK minus 1. This one K varying, no? Here up to this. Wj comma I power K. So this one will come very than that. Okay. Applying neural networks. Example problem. Will I pass this class? Let's start with the simple two feature model. X1 number of lectures you attend. how hours spent on the